Carbon monoxide is known as a silent killer. Now a Georgia lawmaker is hoping to save lives by handing out free CO detectors to some homes and businesses. News 3's Martin Staunton spent the day learning more about it and joins us now with a report for your safety.
Ben, carbon monoxide is an odorless, colorless, and tasteless gas that kills hundreds of people in this country every year, but a bill passed yesterday will offer low-income families and the elderly grants to get those detectors. This is the scene of a carbon monoxide call in Savannah in 2018. An elderly woman and her son were found dead here. In January, a mother and her 2 children went to the hospital from this home due to carbon monoxide poisoning. And in March, 2 people were killed at this public housing complex in South Carolina. A study released in January found that at least 11 public housing residents have died from carbon monoxide poisoning since 2003. Tuesday, a bill introduced by Georgia Congressman Earl Buddy Carter passed unanimously. The Carbon Monoxide Poisoning Prevention Act creates a new grant program to install carbon monoxide alarms in the homes of the elderly and low-income families and individuals.
What prompted this is that we've had some serious carbon monoxide poisoning incidents in the 1st District of Georgia. It could be for schools, it could be for public facilities. It does, as you note, include elderly and low-income individuals, but it's much more than that. We would like to see it in the schools and, as I say, in other public facilities as well.
But millions of households subsidized by HUD will have to apply for the grants for the carbon monoxide alarm. Right now, these alarms are not a requirement for Section 8 housing and the 900,000 public housing units in the U.S.
That is not included in specifically. However, it is my understanding, as you say, that it's not a requirement of HUD, but that's the target audience for us. Well, that's certainly something we need to visit, and we haven't talked much about it, but I appreciate that suggestion.
We reached out to HUD and they issued a statement saying that there is legislation in the works to require those CO detectors. Carter's bill now moves to the Senate. Martin Staunton, WSAV News 3.
Martin, thank you.